George Brown College, it's really making my dreams happen. I'm super lucky. Hi, I'm Eileen. I'm the owner of Titika Active Couture. We really concentrate on the design and all those detail elements. We opened first store at 2009, and now we have 3 stores in Toronto, 1 store in San Francisco. When I was 30 years old, I coming with my passport to this country. I was like, oh, I have to learn something I really like. Then I found the George Brown program, fashion business industry professor here at George Brown College. They already know the industry. They have a lot of working experience. They are not only teaching you from the book, they teach you those experiences they got from the business.
Eileen was ready to explore things, and the fashion business industry program really I think is a smart program in that what it does is it recognizes that the apparel industry is really made up of small and medium enterprises. It gives them the technical skills that are required. It also gives them the business skills that are required in order to be able to run a small enterprise. Such courses as textiles, they will learn about quality assurance, they will learn about garment construction, okay? They will learn about accounting, they will learn about business management, they will learn about marketing.
I'm really proud of a graduate from George Brown. I feel like to stay connected is kind of like to show respect. And because George Brown always thinking about me, I have to do something to giving back the support. I'm not sure before I go to George Brown what I should do. But after I go to George Brown, I suddenly realize I can do something I really want.